If the KB50-7141-7 update is not installing on Windows 11 version 23H2, you're not alone. And yes, it's fixable. Follow these steps exactly and don't skip anything. First, press Windows I, go to Windows Update, click Update History, and confirm that KB50-7141-7 is failing to install. If you see repeated failures or error codes, move on. Step 1. Restart your PC. This sounds basic, but Windows Update services often get stuck in memory. Restarting clears that instantly. Step 2. Run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Run Windows Update, let it finish completely, and apply any fixes it suggests. Step 3. Reset Windows Update components manually. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, choose Run as Administrator, then run these commands one by one. netstop ebu aux rv, netstop bits, netstop sucry pt svc. After that, open File Explorer, go to C, Windows, Software Distribution, and delete everything inside that folder. Don't worry, Windows will recreate everything. Now go back to Command Prompt, run netstart w aux rv, netstart bits, netstart crip, tsvc, and restart your PC again. Step 4, check system file integrity. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run sfc/scano. Wait until it reaches 100%. If it reports errors fixed, restart your PC. Step 5, if the update still fails, install it manually. Open your browser, go to the Microsoft Update Catalog, search for KB50-7141-7, download the version that matches Windows 11 23H2, then install it manually. Final step, make sure you have at least 20 GB of free disk space and temporarily disable any third-party antivirus. Antivirus software can silently block Windows updates. After completing these steps, KB50-7141-7 should install normally. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.